Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off hardware acceleration in Firefox. This is actually quite simple. First of all I open Firefox and now I click on the three bars at the top right corner and go to Settings. Here I stay in the General section and scroll down until I reach Performance. If I uncheck the box, I get another function which is for the hardware acceleration. So I uncheck this box and now I have turned off hardware acceleration in Firefox. Unlike many other programs, this change in Firefox does not seem to require a restart. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!